Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Manus AI and Genspark AI. Manus AI and Genspark AI are both next-generation AI agent platforms, but they differ in key ways. Manus AI is a new tool that helps you get complex tasks done using artificial intelligence without needing to do all the work yourself. You just give it a project, like creating a report or designing a web page, and it tries to handle everything automatically. It looks great and shows each step visually, which makes it fun to use. But right now, it has many issues like making up fake data, crashing often, and using upgraded quickly. Some users have also had trouble with pricing and canceling. While the idea is impressive, it's still rough and not reliable for serious work. Genspark AI is a helpful tool that lets you use artificial intelligence to complete tasks like writing, research, coding, and content planning. It works by guiding you through step-by-step templates, so you don't need to be a tech expert to get good results. The platform is simple, clean, and beginner-friendly, making it great for students, professionals, and small businesses. Unlike some other AI tools, Genspark is more reliable and doesn't crash often. It also gives you more control over the output, so the results feel more accurate. Many users like that it's clear about pricing and how it uses your data. Overall, Genspark AI is better for reliability and everyday use, while Manus AI is more experimental but still unstable. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.